my smooth friends. It's me, Smooth Brain, again. And today, I don't have my microphone on. Let's fix that. Okay, today I have a palette from Fantasy Cosmetica. And it's their Cleric palette. And as you girls and guys know, I am a big D&D fan. So all of these palettes are named after different classes in the D&D world. The Cleric is one of the significant ones because they heal everyone. And this palette is just gorgeous. It's like a cool toned blue and grungy olive and green palette. Look at that. It's got a white in there. Really nice. I'm going to start off with a swatch of this. We have Bless, Shrine, Restore, and Heal. And a lot of times clerics are very white based because they're thought of as good characters, but there's evil clerics as well. So we have Bless, Shrine, Restore, and Heal. Ooh, Shrine's very pretty. And so is Restore. Then we have this beautiful, like, blackish, like, burnt steel relic. A lovely grungy sage color called Balm. A blue shimmer called Devotion. And Sanctuary, a like navy blue. Beautiful navy blue. And our last color looks like at least a duochrome, maybe a multichrome, called Omen. That's really pretty. Okay, I am going to show you that on my arm. Okay, let's put on some makeup. So I have my Urban Decay face bond. Some of you know I had a little problem with this, but it's better now. First, let me put on some primer. I need a primer. I'm going to use my Epione Flawless Serum, which is very much like a gel sticky base. I'm a little red today, and that's because I waxed my eyebrows earlier. And I accidentally took off some eyelashes too. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that. I might actually try and put on some at-home lash extensions, but that will be totally dependent on whether I have time or not. Otherwise, I'll just try and spread out what I have with my mascara. And so I'm using my Urban Decay Face Bond, which is, I would say, a medium coverage. Putting this on with a Refer number 17. And this is a pretty good match for me. It is the color number 5, I believe. quite buildable. The only thing I had a problem with was it did get clogged, so I had to take like the end of a paper clip and use that to unclog it a little bit. Now, let me put on a headband. I'm getting this in my hair. Doo doo doo. Dee dee dee. Down the neck and into my hairline, but not all of my hair. And then I'm going to use my eye primer from Ulta. And this is going to form the base so that some of that redness goes away. So did anyone go and do the Sephora sale this spring? I know there's been quite a few hauls on YouTube, but I personally have not bought anything. It was really good. I was tempted. I looked a couple times. The only thing that I really want to try at Sephora right now is the LYS blushes. So I may pick that up if I do go into Sephora. I have some coupons to hand in for a full size or a travel size perfume from their perfume sampler. So we'll do that. I put too much of this on, so I'm just using my blank finger to rub it in. Okay. Next, I am going to use this blush from Singed Beauty in Pretentious Plum. Look how pretty that color is. Let's get a blush brush and gently dab it in. And I'm just gonna go and like really enjoying having things on just the apples of my cheeks lately. And of course the first side that I put on is very dark, so we'll just buff that in and even it out on the other side. Yeah, I noticed that every time Ulta has like their 50% off sale, Sephora matches it, and when Sephora has their 30% off Sephora stuff and 20% off items, Ulta has some pretty good deals too. So if you prefer one store over the other, or you don't have one near you, check out the other one when there's a sale because they like to compete directly. Okay. I'm also going to use this Diveroon highlighter in Opal. Let me get a little, I'm just going to use this little brush here. Let's see how that works. I'm going to use the other end of it actually. This is a really pretty like multicolor highlighter. It's got like all different colors in it. It's a little piecey, but I do like that it's like multicolor. Okay. And I do have some bronzer too, which I forgot to put on before my blush, but I am going to put that on now. I'm using the Rare Beauty bronzer stick. Love this stuff. I will use this till it dies. And we'll just use this Sigma brush to blend that in. I'm not a big bronzer fan in general. I like a little bit, but not a lot. I have a small forehead, so I don't need to put it on my forehead to make my forehead look smaller. So there. That looks pretty good. And I'm going to put a little bit here. And a little bit of this here. There we go. Now let's play with the palette. So to start, I'm going to go into Balm, this beautiful sage green color, with a big fluffy brush. I got my Singed Beauty number E08. love this color. I love sage green on walls, and I love sage green on my eyes. I think it's just a pretty color. Let's also take a smaller brush. Let's take an E01, which looks like this. And we're going to go into Shrine, which is this grungy green here. And I'm going to put that on the bottom V. Yeah, that's pretty. We'll just use this fluffy brush to blend them together a little bit. They blend really nicely. I mean, their mattes are very pigmented and they blend really nicely. So you don't have to worry too much about being perfect because they really do a nice job. Now, I love this color. It's got like a pink background and blue on top. But I think for this, I'm going to start with the color Relic. Let's put a little bit of shine on here so we can really make this amped up. I'm going to put it on here. This is from Cleona, and they still sell this even though it was part of a collaboration with Millie. Yeah, this is a good sticky base primer. So while we're letting that dry, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows with, let's use this. We're going to use the NYX Lift and Snatch pen. And we'll just draw some little hairs here. And this pen works beautifully. There we go. And now this is pretty much dry. Let me just do this one more time. And we are going to take that color Relic, put that on the outer half of the eye. It's got a really pretty green gold reflect. Look at that. So pretty. It looks like almost a gunmetal in the pan, but then when you put it on, this gold comes out of nowhere. And then I'm going to take the color, because I can't help it, I'm going to take this color Omen and put that on the inner third. Wow, that looks really pretty. I'm going to take the color Bless and put that on my brow bone with my pinky. And in my inner corner. And just take it up a little bit into the crease here. Okay, that looks great. I am just going to buff that a little bit so it's all smooth together. And then I'm going to take this color Sanctuary and use that underneath my lid here. So there you go. So I'm going to finish up. I'll do my eyelashes and I'm going to finish the other eye. This is so sparkly. And then I'll come back with the final look. I need some lipstick too. So, okay, I'm back with the final look. What do you guys think? These shimmers are gorgeous. Really love them. I think I would probably just use one in, real life to stand out, but I wanted to give you guys an idea of what these look like on the eye and do a couple different ones. I used for mascara on my poor lashes that I pulled out with wax, the House Lab mascara. I have a little sample here. It seems nice, it's the first time I opened it, so it's always hard to tell when you first open a mascara how it's going to be, but it wound up being pretty nice on the lashes. It has like a normal brush, it's not like super skinny or super fat, and it seems to be pretty good. So yeah. And then for my lips, I went with a pretty neutral lip gloss, and this is from Hintor 1006, and it's like a very nice tan color. So it comes out really neutral. Yes, love it. Okay, there's one other thing in this collection, and it is a perfume, and Fantasy Cosmetica does always do perfumes. They had a tomato one out that was really nice. This one is with their Cleric. It's called Cleric. It's a 10 ml. You can get I think a 30 ml as well. And this is flowery. Let me find what the description is on this. It is top notes of juniper, warm spices. So this seems like a wintry one to me because the heart is frankincense, rose. I got the rose right away. Charcoal and gardenia and the gardenia. So those are the flowers I'm smelling. And then the base has a little bit of wood and grass, including papyrus, birch, amber, and salt. So I'm just going to spray that on me right now. Yeah, I really get the gardenia and rose. It's not really super woody, so I like it. It's nice. It's not like my style necessarily, but I will use it in the future. And the palette was gorgeous. They always do a great job on their palettes, and I am very happy and pleased with this. Even though it has a lot of blue in it, it has enough other colors in there that you can go with a non-blue look if your eyes don't happen to be brown or blue. So if you have blue eyes, blue makes your eyes stand out. And if you have brown eyes, it's a very nice complement to brown eyes. I have hazel eyes, so I look for more greens and golds. But yeah, this looked really nice when it all came out and was done. Well, I really appreciate all your support lately. If you aren't subscribed already, feel free to subscribe. I always appreciate likes and comments, and I answer all the comments as well, even if they're bad ones. I like to talk to you guys. So be happy, not sad, and I will talk to you all very soon. Bye.